जैसे आपका इंट्रोडक्शन इस फिल्म में दिखाया गया है कि ये दबंग 1 के विलन रह चुके हैं, ये दबंग 2 के विलन रह चुके हैं। दबंग 1 और दबंग 2 में सलमान थे आपके अपोजिट में, जिनको आपको धोना था। यहाँ पे एक डॉग था।
अभी अभी तो अक्षय भाई ने बोला
नहीं,
क्यों
आपके-
सीरियस लेते हैं भाई। एक एक डायलॉग को डायलॉग जैसे लेना फन है।
लेकिन आपके
नो 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 आई एम टेलिंग यू द आंसर।
सलमान को मारने के लिए मतलब
ऐसे
ज्यादा
क्यों
इजी था।
वो कर रहे हैं आप? Just take it as fun. Well, I was very happy the way Akshay put it. I think this film, entertainment, happened because of the soul of the film. Jab Sajid and Farhad narrated me the script, and in my career of 300 films, I had never heard a script which was so endearing and it was so beautiful. And all actors used to stay on the dog. Entertainment used to come. It is not that we were waiting for it, because we were waiting because the soul of the film, the way they told the story, and it's a very different film which touched us. I think it brought the child in us. You know, if you see a Lion King and if you can believe lions can talk, and I think this is how you have to see this film. It was a pure fun, and it was the whole pureness of the script which is a joy. So I see जो dialogues it's just a rib tickling, funny, barking lines. But then the film is beyond that, and I'm really proud. I think I'm sure that all of us are really proud to be associated with a film where it is such an unlearning process. It was, I wouldn't ever call that dog a dog. I think he is my co-actor, and he was wonderful.
Akshay
Hi,
sir,
Tamanna.
Akshay sir, Prabhat here. Right, sir. Akshay sir, this side, right. Yeah, see, straight, sir, straight.
Okay.
Straight, sir, this side, yeah.
Yeah, got you, sir.
My question is that for the last several years, you have been focusing on the comic kind of roles. Several years, you have been focusing on the comic kind of roles, sir. So it is preferred by you as such as an actor, or it's preferred by the producer side?
Sorry, I didn't understand the question. Sorry.
काफी सालों से जो हैं आप कॉमेडी किस्म के जो रोल हैं उस पर ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं, तो ये आप प्रेफर करते हैं करना या प्रोड्यूसर के साइड से होता है कि आप कॉमेडी रोल करें, क्योंकि आपकी इमेज एक्शन स्टार की है?
मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ जो भी मैं करना चाहता हूँ। मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ कि मैं कॉमेडी करना चाहता हूँ, फिर मैं ये फिल्म में एक्शन करना चाहता हूँ, फिर it all depends on whatever I selected, because no producer can put a gun on my head and say you have to do it. They come out with the roles, and it all depends on what time I want to do what I want to do, and that is all it is.
हाय तमन्ना, यहाँ पर सुमन लहरे से यहाँ पर तमन्ना। खैर आपकी शख्सियत ही ऐसी कि हर कोई आपके रोमांस में बस एकदम डूब जाना चाहता है। इस फिल्म में भी अक्षय का रोमांस और एक डॉग का रोमांस, तो किसने आपके दिल को ज्यादा छुआ?
Well, for me, obviously my scenes were more with Akshay, so I think I had good chemistry with Akshay. And I enjoyed acting with him. I enjoyed performing with him because he's a brilliant actor. He can take a very simple scene and make it extraordinary. He's an actor who's gifted with that. And as this entire conference was started with the fact that I'm actually worried about Akshay because he doesn't seem to grow old. And that is something of my serious concern. I just want to know how that happens. So anyway, that is one thing. And well, for me, this film was actually a life-changing film because after I worked in this film, I went and I got myself a puppy. So for me, my entire, the way I look at having a pet at home has changed. And now I actually have one at home. So it's like it has changed my world, and it's an amazing experience to have a puppy at home. It makes the whole house very lively, and I feel like a kid again. So thanks to It's Entertainment and the entire team to make me realize such a beautiful thing in life which I would have probably missed out on.
अक्षय, आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो एंटरटेनमेंट है ऑन सेट, कोई ऐसा मोमेंट जो आप शेयर करना चाहें एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ आपके लेफ्ट में?
जी बहुत सारी, मतलब हमेशा पूरी शॉट्स के अंदर ही बहुत मज़ा आता था। ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर मैं इंसिडेंट नहीं कह सकता। हमने करीबन 40-45 दिन वहाँ शूटिंग की है, एंड एवरी डे वाज एन एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद एंटरटेनमेंट, एंड इट वाज फन।